us the most important analysis perhaps, and that is returns, because this is long-term money that we're parking with our pension fund managers. So how are returns performing? Let's pull up the data. And in fact, we'll have some tables come up for you. On the equity side, if you're looking at 5-year returns, and they don't look too bad. In fact, we'll just have those numbers up. Dhirendra, you tell us, when I pulled in some of this data through value research, decent double-digit returns, high-teen returns coming through. How do they compare with mutual funds? And, does it sort of make the cut?
This is very impressive. But, one has to look at the number that you are seeing is of the equity plans. And so if an investor is investing a lakh of rupees, his 75%, the maximum that will go into these plans, which is yielding this much return, will only be 75%. The remaining money will have to be necessarily in the corporate bonds or the government bonds plan. So the number that you see here in case of NPS, that is actually a combination of the 3 plans or at least two of them, and it will be an aggregate of that. But looking at the equity fund performance, I think it is very impressive. And everything else in being equal, the cost advantage is permanent. If there was exactly the same fund managed by a mutual fund with the same actions, it will earn you 1% less.
Okay, a quick comment on returns, whether you're happy with the way the funds have been performing and whether these are sort of sustainable numbers. I looked at 5-year data, I looked at 3-year data. What do you think of the way the industry is performing?
So the returns are phenomenal. If you look at 10-year data also, they are beaten the mutual funds, given that you compare it with apple-to-apple comparison, which is large caps and not small and mid caps. So given that equity over long term, whether it's 3 years, 5 years or 10 years, NPS has given phenomenal returns. And it's way better than compared to other mutual fund investments within the same category.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.